With this natural antidote, kill cholesterol, triglycerides and glucose in your blood. For years we have heard bad stories about the presence of cholesterol in our body. However, a certain amount of cholesterol in our body is healthy. So much so that even our liver is responsible for manufacturing it in order to stay in health. The problem with this is when levels soar, causing them to be stored in our arteries. Thanks to cholesterol, the body can make vitamins, hormones, bile acids and other substances. Most of the foods we eat have triglycerides and cholesterol. If we are not careful about it, they can get out of control, causing atherosclerosis. Especially those who have this medical history should be very alert. The key to not getting this wrong is in a balanced diet, a healthy weight and certain natural remedies. Currently, there are many medications that promise to keep cholesterol at bay. However, its contraindications can seriously impair our hepatic and renal health. There are also industrialized products that keep cholesterol levels normal. But if you already suffer from this problem, you can hardly get an improvement. Finally, there are natural remedies that, by far, are more effective than all of the above. This remedy fills when a doctor tested with his college students. He gave them some analysis where the results indicated serious alterations in lipids, glucose and hormones. Some of his students even thought that the results belonged to a deceased person. After this, I gave him a second analysis, where the levels of glucose, lipids and hormones were perfect. Both analyses belonged to the same person, the teacher of the class. The first analysis was several months old, while the second was an examination. What did you do to make your health change drastically in your favor? He tells us himself. What you used: organic pumpkin/aoyama 100 grams. Mineral water 200 milliliters. How prepared it: 1. First, peeled the pumpkin ripened at its point and chopped it into small pieces. Then he threw it in a blender along with the water and mixed until a homogeneous substance was obtained. This substance was taken every day 20 minutes before breakfast. This routine followed for a full month and the results speak for themselves. 2. If you also need to control your blood cholesterol levels, do not hesitate to prepare this smoothie. Like the teacher, if you do it for 1 month, accompanied by a good diet, the results will be surprising. If you think your friends need to know this remedy, share it with them as soon as possible on your social networks.